Thank you for joining a read-aloud story. Llama Llama, Yum 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 is highlighted in April of our 2020 calendar. Target words for the story are how, does, it, smell, good, and bad. These words, along with a few others, will pop up with the symbol found in Word Power vocabulary. Demonstrate the word and location for the AAC learner on their technology. Select one target, all the targets, or other words that will be meaningful to the person. Explore your sense of smell with a scratch-and-sniff book. How does it smell to you? Llama Llama, Yum 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 by Anna Dewdney. Llama Llama loves to eat snacks and meals and special treats. Toast and eggs and OJ too. How does breakfast smell to you? Snack is crackers and a drink. Llama Llama's juice is pink. Lunch is a sandwich, PB&J. Llama's ready, time to play. Shopping at the grocery store, cheese and veggies, so much more. Bananas make a special treat. Fun to peel and fun to eat. Dinner has spaghetti sauce and a nice green salad tossed. Dinner's over, time for bed. Bedtime stories, tummy fed. All this food is yum, yum, yum. Can you scratch and sniff it? Fun! The end. How does it smell? Good or bad?